Hi there, thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. This video is all about yung schedule ng Team Laika review events to help you prepare for the April 2016 Civil Service Exam. Okay? Kasi marami na sa inyo ang nagtatanong kung kailan at saan ang mga review, and this is my response. Binidyo na lang para mas madali nating matandaan. There will be 3 types of events. Meron tayong diagnostic exam, which is for free. Meron tayong weekend review and final coaching. I'm going to talk about those as we go along. Okay? So, start muna tayo sa schedule. January 23, I'm going to be in Pampanga, San Fernando, Pampanga, working together with Heart Inc. Nagawa natin for free itong event na to. It's just a diagnostic exam and civil service orientation. I'm going to be there physically para makausap kayo, just to give a few tips and to give you a sample of the exam. So, if first time niyo mag-exam or hindi kayo masyadong familiar with the questions na lumalabas, it'll be a great experience for you to go and take that exam. So, again, it's totally for free. Pumunta lang kayo sa Heart Inc. na office. Pero before that, you have to reserve your slot. Limited lang kasi ang slots na kakasya dun sa room. So, if you want to reserve your slot for you or your friends, you can text this number right here. Just give them your name para mas-save yung slot for you. Limited slots lang, 50 people lang yata yung kayang i-cover. So, right now, may mga nakapagpa-register na. So, pwede pa kayong humabot. Again, this is January 23. So, sa end ng weekend. If you're watching this right now, text na agad. Pagdating ng February 6 and 7, I'm still going to be in Pampanga. This time, it's going to be a weekend review. So, usually, ang mga review events na in-hold ko are whole day events, 8 to 5. And dahil most of you are working talaga ng weekdays, weekends ko siyang ginagawa para hindi kayo mahirapan. So, February 6 and 7, that's Saturday and Sunday. It's still going to be with Heart Inc. sa Pampanga, sa San Fernando. So, lahat ng mga, this is actually going to be my only review, weekend review program for the North Luzon area. So, kung nasa probinsya kayo ng Bulacan, Pampanga, Pangasinan, Nueva Ecija, yung mga malalapit sa Pampanga, pwede kayong mag-attend doon sa Heart Inc. na weekend review. Limited slots lang din, hanggang 50 lang ang class. So, I'm going to talk about that a lot more din dun sa mga a-attend ng diagnostic exam sa January 23. So, again, February 6 to 7, weekend review, San Fernando, Pampanga with Heart Inc. Pagdating naman ng February 20 to 21, I'm going to be in Naga with my twin sister. So, you've met my twin sister. Top 4 naman siya sa exam. So, I was top 1, siya yung top 4. We're working together to put together a program for Naga naman, Southern Luzon area naman. So, if you're near Bicol, Camarines area, you can go there. This is going to be in Naga. Wala pang final venue. Pero you can start saving up February 20 to 21. The Saturday, Sunday din yun, 2-day event. Nandun kaming dalawa kasi my sister is based in Naga. Okay? So, that's for Southern Luzon. Pagdating ng February 27 to 28, so I'm working with someone I've met through our Facebook page. Passer na siya. So, isa siya sa mga nakapasa last year. So, this is dun sa ating video lang na correspondence. And I'm so happy about her because right now, regular na siya sa work. Okay? Na-goal ko rin for all of you guys. Nakapasa na siya last year, regular na siya sa work, and now she's helping me bring yung Team Laika review sa probinsya niya. Okay? So, ngayon pupunta ako to teach you guys sa Tacloban. So, that's February 27 to 28. I'm going to be in Tacloban to hold weekend review class. So, uulitin natin lahat ng mga tinuturo ko sa Manila, Pampanga, in different areas dito na napuntahan ko na in Iloilo. It's going to be repackaged and improve pa natin para madala sa inyo. So, it's going to be in Tacloban. I'm going to be in Tacloban February 27 to 28. There's going to be a link below then for the event if you want to know more about that and register them. So, that is the end of February. Pagdating ng March, birthday month ko yun, so there's going to be a few weekends na I'm not available kasi I need to spend time with my family. Pero pagdating ng March 19 to 20, I'm going to be back in Iloilo. So for those na hindi ko na-meet last year and who want to come over, I'm going to be working with a StudyLink Review Center. So may StudyLink ang partner ko for the Panay Island area for Iloilo. Meron silang full review program. So if you want to check out their page, nandun na link down below. And there's going to be a final coaching on March 19 to 20. So yung final coaching naman is not exclusive to their students sa full review program, although kasama na yon if you want to avail of their full review program. Pero pwede din kayo maging walk-in. Ibig sabihin, kahit hindi kayo enrolled sa full review program nila, if you want to come over and meet me and learn from me, pwede kayong mag-enroll dun sa kanilang final coaching. That's March 19 to 20. Okay? Pagdating ng, ngayon, some of you may be asking, nasa probinsya po kayo ngayon, nasaan ang Manila review program? Siyempre, hindi kayo nakakalimutan kasi marami talaga ako rin students dito sa Manila na gustong pumunta. Medyo malilate yung announcement natin for Manila kasi may kinakausap pa ako about our potential victory party. Okay? So, marami kasi pumasa last year and hinihintay natin yung results ng mga nag-take ng exam ng December para makapag-schedule ng victory party ng buong Team Laika, lahat ng mga pumasa or even those na who didn't make it. Isa-schedule natin yan on one of the weekends na libre ako itong first quarter. So, yung Manila Review Program, ang masasabi ko lang, right now, may sigurado tayong review session on March 26. Okay, March 26, I'm going to be in Manila. I'm not sure if it's going to be March 26 and 27 or March 26 and April 2, pero you can start saving up then for that. It's going to be a weekend review program as well. Okay? So, there are going to be a couple more na i-announce ko later, depende sa schedule at depende sa kung kailan ma-finalize. Another quick reminder is that lahat ng events na ito ay merong event page sa Facebook. Nandun ang links sa baba, sa description box ng video na to. If you're going to that review event, just click going and all of the details that you need, including kung kailan na-announce yung mga venue, will be there in that event page. Okay? Ngayon, another thing I'm very excited about na I want to tell you about, especially those na hindi ko mapupuntahan, kasi if you notice, wala pa tayong Mindanao review. I'm trying talaga to find a contact and a venue sa Davao. Para at least meron tayong isang review, weekend review sa Mindanao kasi marami ring students na nagtatanong doon. Pag-uusapan pa natin yan. Pero if it doesn't work out, there's an option for you guys, which is the distance learning program. There will be a distance learning program na curated by Heart Inc. sa Pampanga. Ibig sabihin, tutulungan nila ako with the admin. Meron din tayong distance learning program just for, nahiwalay for Team Laika. So, there's going to be another video announcing that and yung cost niyan at kung paano mag-enroll. I'm going to put a link up dun sa video na yan here, pag available na. If it's not, hintay-hintay muna tayo. That's for those na nasa mga probinsya na hindi ko pa mararating. Okay? We're trying na, pero ito yung mga probinsya na possible mangyayari na ang review later this year. I'm going to be in Palawan. I'm going to be in a number of other Visayan provinces and gusto ko talaga i-push yung Mindanao kasi I want to meet all of you guys. Ang dami ko students last year na pumasa sa Davao and sa Cotabato, Surigao, and they were all asking kung kailan ako makadalo sa Mindanao so they can meet me. Hintay-hintay lang guys, pinag-ipunan at pinagpaplanuhan ng maayos, pero I'm going to go there and hopefully meet all of you guys. So if you have any questions, just feel free to comment below. Again, all the links that you need are going to be in the description page. And still, if you're not yet part of Team Laika, you can go to our Facebook page, which is the link ngayon, www.facebook.com/teamlaika. And if you want to see all of the new videos I'm going to post, including that one about the distance learning program, you can click here. You can click here to subscribe, and I would love for you to watch all the other videos. So there's going to be a link for all of those videos already posted below. So here's the link to the entire playlist of old videos, and you can click here to subscribe to see the other videos I'm going to be posting. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in one of our review programs really soon. God bless you, keep learning, and I hope you really pass the civil service exam or whatever exam you're going to take. Have a good day. God bless. Bye.